What's up everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back today with another model unboxing and review video. This time we actually have a very special model, one that I normally don't collect, or it's a type that I normally don't collect, and this is the first one for me actually. It's a Panda Models US Air Force C-40C, one of the Clippers. This is in the sort of presidential livery. 090540. It's one of those exec transports for the U.S. government. And it's something that I normally, these sort of military Air Force models, etc., I normally don't collect, but I decided to pick this one up just because I didn't have one in the collection, and I figured, I gotta start somewhere. It's a first. Not that I don't have any Air Force models, or not. I think I have a 1/200 scale KC-135, but I don't really collect like military or Air Force stuff in 1/400 scale. Not at the moment. Will I ever in the future? Probably. I'm like try and get some of the ones from the past, probably. But yeah, so I decided to pick this one up, and here we have it. Panda Models 737. It's basically a 737-700, but the Air Force version is a C40 Clipper. And yeah, so here we go. Nice box. And let's get right on into it. Alright, here we go. Looking, ooh, wow. Looks nice. Looks pretty cool. Alrighty. Yeah, and I'm sure this has been to Ellie in the past, but I just got it because why not? It's just another nice model to have, and I figured why not. So let's go ahead and open her up, and I don't know a huge amount about these, so forgive me if when we're going through if I don't know what some of the details are, etc. I actually don't know a whole lot about these aircraft. It slipped out of the crate because of that when I was opening it, but anyway, looks fine. Alright, awesome. Let's take her on out. Very, very nice. Not broken or anything. The detail looks fantastic. Alright, let's pull her in. Take a look at what we got. Very, very nice looking. Alrighty, United States of America. There we go. So it's not a bad mold by Panda. It's pretty good. So we'll zoom in here. The gear I think is a little high if you ask me. Right here it's a little high, but it's almost like a max sort of like gear. But other than that, I think the cockpit and everything looks pretty good. There's not a whole lot of markings around here around this like door either. I just like the blue sort of like silver stripe. Oh, silvery gold, I guess. Yeah. And then United States of America, so it's the Air Force. Engines looking good, the CFM ones. Slightly tilted, but actually no, they're not. No, they look fine. Wings looking good. Winglets, plain. Got the antennas at the bottom there, two little ones there. One at the top, two at the back, looking really nice. Got the overwing exit, and there is a mark, like some markings there in the wing, very nice. And then on the tail you have the L2 door there, and the tail you have the American flag and 90540. Taking a look head on, doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look too bad at all. Looking very, very nice. There is a little sort of baggage compartment right there, and then at the back. But obviously this is heavily modified and whatnot, so there's like compartments. I think you can like enter exit or something. Yeah, just a very nice model overall. The mold is pretty good, in my opinion, and yeah, it's cool to have my first like U.S. Air Force sort of exec transport model. I don't have like an Air Force One or anything. This is the first one, and I'm quite happy with it. It looks pretty good. So yeah, I don't really know what else to say over this one, so I think that's going to be it for this video. It's just a short one. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe for more model unboxing and review videos, as well as other content. I will see you guys on the next one. Take care.